Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the 7 best artificial intelligence tools you need to know about. If you're a developer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, or simply interested in the world of AI, you'll love these tools. So, without further ado, let's get started. Tool 1: TensorFlow. The first tool that could not be left out is TensorFlow. Developed by Google, TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning library that allows you to efficiently build and train AI models. TensorFlow is widely used in a variety of AI applications, from natural language processing to image and video recognition. Tool 2: PyTorch. The second tool is PyTorch. Developed by Facebook, PyTorch is an open-source machine learning library that is very popular among the data scientist community. PyTorch is known for being easy to use and fast for prototyping and experimenting with new AI models. Tool 3: Keras. The third tool is Keras. Developed by the team at Google, Keras is a high-level machine learning library that simplifies the creation and training of AI models. Keras is heavily used by data scientists and developers who need a quick and easy solution for building AI models. Tool 4: OpenCV. The fourth tool is OpenCV. OpenCV is an open-source computer vision library that is used for image and video processing. OpenCV is used in a variety of applications, from face recognition to real-time object detection. Tool 5: Scikit-learn. The fifth tool is Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is an open-source machine learning library that is very popular among the data scientist community. Scikit-learn is easy to use and offers a wide range of machine learning algorithms to solve classification, regression, and clustering problems. Tool 6: Caffe. The sixth tool is Caffe. Caffe is an open-source machine learning library that specializes in computer vision. Caffe is used in a variety of applications, from object recognition to real-time video analysis. Tool 7: IBM Watson. Finally, the seventh tool is IBM Watson. Watson is an AI platform developed by IBM that offers a wide range of services, from natural language processing to image recognition and sentiment analysis. Watson is one of the most popular platforms for companies that want to implement AI solutions in their business. These are just some of the best artificial intelligence tools available today. Each of them has its own advantages and disadvantages, and choosing the right tool depends on the project objective and the developer's experience. The important thing is to choose the most suitable tool for the job you want to do.